Okay, here we have a garden stir fry. We have green beans, onions, and we're going to put some zucchini in there, tomatoes, and looks like we're going to have a can of beans put in there too. This is all in olive oil. It's cooking in olive oil. So this is going to be a pretty healthy lunch for us today.
Tomatoes and zucchini.
Well, cooking up the... I see you got your Denver Broncos shirt on. That's cool.
Okay, now I'm just going to add the zucchini.
So basically just adding this all into the pan and cooking it. I guess you could put eggs too if you had room, but that's just a little bit extra addition. Or you could put meat, ground meat, deer, elk, caribou, bear, whatever it is you have, or beef. But this right here is basically going to be all vegetarian. Looks to me like that's going to taste pretty good. Okay, we'll go ahead and come back a little bit later when this is cooked down and see what's going to happen. When are you going to add those beans? A little bit later? After everything's been cooking down for a little bit. Now Patty's going to go ahead and add the beans.
I drained the juice out of it and I'm just going to add the beans.
Here's a can of beans that did not come from our garden, okay? But everything else did. We're just doing a little bit of experimenting, throwing some more things in here. And Patty puts the lid on here for everything to cook. What that does is it increases the pressure and the cooking temperature and causes it to cook quicker. Also, it keeps it from splattering all over the place. So that's the real reason why you have a lid on a frying pan or a pot. And Patty's going to go ahead and add the tomatoes. Actually, that looks really good. What, just several more minutes?
Yeah, just several more minutes.
What type of olive oil are you using over there? No, we're not getting product endorsements, but
Extra light olive oil.
Oh, okay. Extra light olive oil. Alrighty.
Just a few minutes in.
Okay, we'll see how that goes.
Yeah.
Well, I guess the food's done. Patty's dishing it up. It sure looks good. Look at that. Our garden stir fry.
And there's the soy sauce you could add to it.
Yeah, you can add soy sauce, hot sauce, whatever it is you want. Or if you want, fry up some meat, throw some meat in there too. That looks good. I know it's going to taste good. Of course, I'm not going to say anything different because this is my wife. Well, let's go ahead and see how this tastes. This is without putting salt and pepper on it yet. That's some good stuff. Now, salt and pepper. There's the pepper. Here's the salt, sea salt. And of course, again, you can add whatever you want or take away whatever you want. All out of our garden except for these one can of beans we put in there. The green beans, zucchini, the onion, tomatoes. Really good stuff. The doggone music's playing again, isn't it? I don't know why it does that. Well, I can tell you, it's good food. I highly encourage you to try it.
Thanks for watching.